What's up guys, it's Johnny. Thank you for joining me on another video. I bought this 2002 Honda Civic, but there's a few things I don't like about it, guys. I do like the Honda Civic car, but I don't like these wheels. Number one, the wheels, they bother me. I don't like those clear tail lights. I don't like the wheels. I don't like that purple tint that it has that's peeling and it's full of bubbles. The car's also missing some fender liners, as you can see there. So I'm going to take care of all that stuff. You guys don't need to see all that, but I'm going to take you guys to the tire shop and we're going to put on some brand new wheels. Let's go. Here we are, guys. We're at the tire shop and we're going to put on some wheels on this car. You guys saw the black wheels that it had when I bought it. I don't like them, so I took them off and I'm going to put these on. Check them out, guys. I need to get rid of these headlights. I don't like them too much either, so I'm thinking of getting the original ones. Now the tail lights, I got rid of them white Euro tail lights it had, so I put these on and I think it looks better. But here's the car, guys. Check it out. Like, comment, share, subscribe.